Hey guys, my name is Shivashankar Kamath. Welcome to Isha Vasya Divya Siddhi Academy. In this video, you will learn how to get remarkable results with your consistent tiny changes that you do in your life, work, relationships, etc. By following this approach, you can effectively work on solutions to address the issues you are facing. You can easily achieve your goals, you can build new habits, break the bad ones, etc. Because your mind will be entirely tuned to a certain frequency, and once it's tuned to that frequency, the magic will start happening. Stay tuned till the end of this video to learn more about it.
How to start a new habit? Firstly, start with an incredibly small habit. Make it so easy you can't say no to that small habit. When most people struggle to build new habits, they say something like, I just need more motivation, or I wish I had as much willpower as you do. This is the wrong approach. Research shows that willpower is like a muscle, it gets fatigued as you use it throughout the day. Another way to think of this is that your motivation ebbs and flows, it rises and falls. Solve this problem by picking a new habit that is easy enough that you don't need motivation to do it. Rather than starting with 50 push ups per day, start with 5 push ups per day. Rather than trying to meditate for 10 minutes per day, start by meditating 1 minute per day. Make it easy enough that you can do it without motivation. Success is a few simple disciplines practiced every day, while failure is simply a few errors in judgment repeated every day. 1% improvements added up surprisingly fast, so do 1% declines. Rather than trying to do something amazing from the beginning, start small and gradually improve. Along the way, your willpower and motivation will increase, which will make it easier to stick to your habit for good. If you continue adding 1% each day, then you will find yourself increasing very quickly within 2 to 3 months. It is important to keep each habit reasonable so that you can maintain momentum and make the behavior as easy as possible to accomplish. Building up to 20 minutes of meditation, split it into two segments of 10 minutes at first. Trying to do 50 push ups per day, 5 sets of 10 might be much easier as you make your way there. Top performers make mistakes, commit errors, and get off the track just like everyone else. The difference is that they get back on track as quickly as possible. Research has shown that missing your habit once, no matter when it occurs, has no measurable impact on your long term progress. Rather than trying to be perfect, abandon your all or nothing mentality. You shouldn't expect to fail, but you should plan for failure. Take some time to consider what will prevent your habit from happening. What are some things that are likely to get in your way? What are some daily emergencies that are likely to pull you off course? How can you plan to work around these issues? Or at least, how can you bounce back quickly from them and get on track? You just need to be consistent, not perfect. Focus on building the identity of someone who never misses a habit twice. Learning to be patient is perhaps the most critical skill of all. You can make incredible progress if you are consistent and patient. If you are adding weight in the gym, you should probably go slower than you think. If you are adding daily sales calls to your business strategy, you should probably start with fewer than you expect to handle. Patience is everything. Do things you can sustain. New habits should feel easy, especially in the beginning. If you stay consistent and continue increasing your habit, it will get hard enough, fast enough, it always does. One popular method to build habits is called 21 bar 90 rule. The rule is simple enough. Commit to a personal or professional goal for 21 straight days. After 3 weeks, the pursuit of that goal should have become a habit. Once you have established that habit, you continue to do it for another 90 days. My name is Shivashankar Kamath. You can see more details about me in LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I am the international success coach and mind power expert. I am the founder of Isha Vasya Divya Siddhi Academy. Isha Vasya Divya Siddhi Academy offers these courses: Parenting Seminar, DMIT Counseling Session, Sales Power Unlimited, Stress Free Living, Unleash the power within. The course is designed for 1 day as well 2 days. Our signature course is Mind Power Unlimited. Isha Vasya Divya Siddhi Academy also offers these courses. Super Student Unlimited. The course is designed for 1 day as well 2 days. Super Teen Unlimited for 2 days. Motivational Sessions. This course is designed for 20 minutes, 45 minutes, 2 hours and 4 hours. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching our videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Wishing you all the best.